Hey everyone, welcome back to Astrodevs channel. Today we are kicking off our brand new series called How to Use, where we'll give you quick overviews of amazing Flutter package from pop.dev. In this first episode, we are diving into Sliding Up Panel package. This package allows you to add a beautiful and interactive sliding panel to a Flutter apps. Whether you want to create a bottom sheet, a drawer, or just add a cool sliding effect, this package has got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, let's set up the Sliding Up Panel package in our Flutter project. Open your popspec.yaml file and add the package dependency. Run flutter pop-get to install the package. Now let's dive into the code. Let's start with the basic implementation of a sliding panel. We'll create a simple app with a sliding panel that can be dragged up and down. Here we have a simple setup with a sliding up panel widget. The panel property defines the widget that will slide up, while the body property is for the main content behind the panel. Now let's customize our sliding panel a bit more. We can adjust properties like min height, max height, and add more complex widgets. In this example, we added a button inside the panel to close it programmatically using the panel controller. We also set min height and max height to control how much the panel can slide. The possibilities are endless with customization. For advanced usage, you can use properties like parallax enabled, backdrop enabled, and more to enhance the user experience. Here's a quick example with parallax effect and a backdrop. In this example, we enabled the parallax effect with parallax enabled and set the parallax offset to create a smooth scrolling experience. We also enabled the backdrop with backdrop enabled, which darkens the background as the panel slides up. And that's it for today. We explored how to use the Sliding Up Panel package in Flutter to create interactive and customizable sliding panels. If you enjoyed this video and want to support our channel, consider buying us a coffee using the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome Flutter content. See you in the next one.